Alright guys, this 6130 we're going to be selling on auction time. It was a trade-in on a 6615 we had. It just had like a few hundred hours. Tractor runs, drives, shifts, does everything it's supposed to. It's got a new clutch, pressure plate, throwout bearing, pilot bearing, surfaced the flywheel. Pulled the oil pan off to put a new gasket on it because it was leaking a little. At that time they serviced the engine oil, put a new filter on it. I think only the engine has been serviced. There'll be another video if you watch it of the dyno test. It was on the dyno, ran good on the dyno. Air blows cold. Mechanically everything runs and functions real solid on it, and we'll give you a video of everything running and operating now. I'll pull over and show you where you can see the lights on it. Yeah. There's first notch, which is flashers. There is left turn signal. I think it's got one bulb out on the fender over there. Other than that, that's the only one I saw. There's right turn signal. And then there would be field lights. And that's everything on the rear, isn't it?
Yeah. Yes.